Take this drink and end your body aches once and for all. Do you feel body aches? What part of your body do they bother you the most? In the legs, knees, arms, or shoulders? Tell me down below in the comments. Enjoy and also tell me the city where you are watching this video. This recipe, it has only 4 ingredients that are easy to find and we usually have in our house. The main ingredient of this recipe is pineapple. For those who want to give their body a pulse in health and in the treatment of pain, the essential ingredient is pineapple. Its consumption reduces pain, swelling, damage and trauma, such as sports injuries or surgery, and also speeds up the healing process. It relieves the symptoms of intestinal disorder and helps in the healing of gastric ulcer. Pineapple provides a great vitamin C supplement, an excellent antioxidant and boosts the immune system. This recipe is a great option for breakfast or an afternoon snack. We will need 2 slices of pineapple, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, a ripe banana, a spoon of honey and 300 milliliters of water. All these ingredients provide nutrients that help in strengthening joints and decreasing body aches. Place all ingredients in a blender and blend for 5 minutes. I added a spoon of honey while beating. This drink can be consumed every day until you no longer feel pain. 1 cup in the morning on an empty stomach is ideal. And to use it just for prevention, it can be taken 2 to 3 times a week for a month. So, what do you think of this tip? And tell me how many people you will send this tip to. Guys, I would like to pass on a message that is in 1 Chronicles 18:6. Then he established military garrisons in the kingdom of the Arameans of Damascus, subjecting them to paying him taxes. And the Lord gave David victories everywhere he went. David is described as a man after God's own heart, because he loved the Lord and wanted to obey him in all areas of his life. Scripture tells us that it was David's custom to ask the Lord for direction and guidance before making important decisions, and this verse is one of many that show us the results. This verse says that the Lord gave David victory wherever he went, and that's because David puts God first. I believe that God will also bless us with success in our lives if we put God first. I'm staying here. A hug for all of you. Goodbye.